Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Guess the Random Number, a Python tutorial. Introduction. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a simple Python program to play the Guess the Random Number game. This game involves the computer generating a random number, and the player attempting to guess that number within a certain range. It's a fun and educational exercise for beginners to understand basic Python syntax and logic. Let's get started with the implementation. In Python, we'll use the random module to generate random numbers. Let's import it. Next, we need to generate a random number within a specified range. We'll prompt the user to input the range within which they want to guess. We'll then prompt the user to input their guess and compare it with the randomly generated number. We'll create a main function to execute the game. Save the Python script and run it. Follow the prompts to play the game. Congratulations! You've now created a simple Guess the Random Number game in Python. Feel free to experiment by adding more features such as score tracking or implementing error handling for invalid inputs. Happy coding! ChatGPT